wife asks you to do weird things for you? Mine does. Like this. So we're not real educated on quail cultivation, I'll call it. Not real sure about their nesting habits, especially for the Coturnix quail. It's different than the bobwhite, but we're learning. And so in our aviary, we've got all these quail, Mr. and Mrs. Quail, and they're laying eggs, and they actually started getting broody and sitting on the eggs. So according to our measurements, we should have some hatching out like tonight or tomorrow. So my wife said, could you build something that's really airy and breezy, but will control the little ones, which are about this big when they hatch out, and keep the mama in and keep all the pigeons that are in the aviary from bombarding from above and probably destroying everything. Pigeons are great poopsters and pranksters. So these are some leftover parts from a kind of a Mickey Mouse, something we ordered several years ago. And I figured it'd make a lightweight little enclosure for our mama quail and the babies. We're gonna put a piece of plywood over it, keep the pigeons out, and easy access to change the water and the food. So follow me over to the aviary. Show the picture of her. Okay, so we have mama quail and all her little eggs in their original nest. They choose their own nesting area, and we're just kind of going with the flow here. But anyhow, we can access to change the food and the water and also the top. So I'm going to get the top to keep our lovely pigeons from bombarding them. There we go. Perfecto. Hey, mama quail. She seems to be okay. So we'll know tomorrow, I think, how all this is going to work. It looks pretty good. If you want to keep up with this experiment, like and subscribe. It won't hurt you. It'll be good for you. Well, here's another little mother sitting on her eggs. And why she chose this spot, I don't know, but it's okay. So I'm going to figure out how to make a little wire cage to cover her up, keep her safe from the pigeon assault. Look how perfectly her camouflage works. Even the camouflage color of the eggs, especially in here. She's very alert, but she's fairly calm about it right now. So stay tuned.